نتعلم المحادثة العربية والمفردات أو عربي گفتگو और अल्फाज बाना सीखे. Let's learn Arabic conversation and vocabulary in new course named as Basics of Arabic. This course is aimed to make you familiar with basic Arabic words and common sentences used in ordinary life situations. In all languages, there are four components the learners need to focus upon, that is, reading, writing, listening with understanding, and speaking. The course will be in such a way that you start speaking some common Arabic words and simple Arabic sentences of daily use. In Arabic, like many other major languages, pronunciation is very important. We cannot afford to commit mistakes in this regard. Otherwise, we will not be able to convey the intended meaning. Now, we start today's class, and the objective of this class is to learn common Arabic words, Alfazul Arabiyyatul Amma, 20 important vocabularies of our daily life, and the use of yes and no in Arabic. Let's start. First of all, we shall know the meaning of the words. In Arabic, yes is known by the word na'am. Na'am means yes. Na'am, yes. La means no. Bait means house. Maktab, office. Sharika, company. Madrasa, school. Mustashfa, hospital. Matar, airport. Mudir, manager. Muwazzaf, staff. Amil, worker. Sa'iq, driver. Haris, watchman. Mohandis, engineer. Tabib, doctor. Mumarriza, nurse. Muhasib, accountant. Shurti, policeman. Sayyara, car. Ta'ira, aeroplane. After this, there is an exercise based upon these vocabularies. We have to match the words with correct meaning. Exercise is designed to inculcate the Arabic words with their English equivalents in the minds of learners. First one is Ta'ira, which means aeroplane. Second is Sayyara. Sayyara means car. Shurti, policeman. Muhasib, accountant. Mumarrida means nurse. Haris means watchman. Sa'iq means driver. Muwaddaf means staff. Mudir means manager. Matar means airport. Naam means yes. La means no. Bait means house. Sharika means company. Madrasa means school. Tabib means doctor. Mohandis means engineer. Mohandis means engineer. Amil means worker. Mustashfa means hospital. After this is second exercise. In this exercise, we have to translate Arabic words into English. First one is طائرة. طائرة means طائرة aeroplane. Second is sayyara. Sayyara means car. Third one is shurti means policeman. After this is muhasib, which means accountant. Muhasib, accountant. Mumarrida, nurse. Haris, watchman. Sa'iq, driver. Muwaddaf means staff. Mudir means manager. Matar means airport. After this is Naam, which means yes. La means no. Bait means house. Maktab means office. Sharika means company. Madrasa means school. Tabib means doctor. Mohandis means engineer. Amil means worker. Mustashfa means hospital. After this is third exercise. Now there are English words. We have to translate these English words into Arabic. First one is house, which means bait. Second one is office, which means maktab. Third one is yes. Yes means na'am. No means la. Company means sharika. Hospital means mustashfa. School means madrasa. Driver means sa'iq. Staff means muwazzaf. Manager means mudir. After this, these are some other words. First one is watchman means haris. Engineer means mohandis. Doctor means tabib. Nurse, female nurse means mumarrida. Policeman means shurti. Car means sayyara. Aeroplane means ta'ira. Accountant means muhasib. Worker means amil. Airport means matar. After this is fourth exercise. We have to say these sentences loudly. First one is this is mustashfa. This is mustashfa. This is hospital. Mustashfa means hospital. This is bait. Bait, house. This is maktab. Maktab, office. This is madrasa, school. This is sayyara. Sayyara, car. This is ta'ira, aeroplane. This is matar, airport. This is sharika. Sharika, company. He is a mohandis, engineer. Engineer. He is a mudir, manager. Mudir. He is he is a saik, driver. He is a haris. He is a haris, watchman. He is muhandis, engineer. She is tabiba, female doctor, lady doctor. He is shurti, policeman. He is muhasib, accountant. He is amil. She is mumarrida, female nurse. Now is fifth exercise, and this exercise is based upon use of naam and la. Naam means yes and la means no. The two words yes and no are very important in all the languages, and Arabic has no exception in this regard. When we agree with something or someone, we say yes, and when we disagree, we say no. So let's start these questions. First one is it a hospital? Yes. Naam. Is it a hospital? La. No. Is it an office? Yes. Naam. Is it an office? La. No. Is it a car? Naam. Yes. Is it a car? La. No. Is it an airport? Naam. Yes. Is it an airport? La. No. Is he a manager? Naam. Yes. Is he a manager? No. La. Is he a watchman? Yes. Naam. Is he a watchman? No. La. Is she a doctor? Naam. Yes. Is he a doctor? La. No. Is he an accountant? Yes. Naam. Is he an accountant? La. No. Is she a doctor? La. No. These were the questions based upon yes and no, which is naam and la in Arabic. Remember this point that Arabic is written from right to left. It has 29 alphabets as compared to 44 in Hindi and 26 in English. There is no concept of capital or small letters, but they assume variant forms and shapes according to their positions: isolated, initial, medial, or final. This was the first class of this series. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.